All right, guys, so here is the deal. I've ordered some new 18-inch wheels, and I ordered some new tires as well. These are Roctane XR tires, 35, 9.5, 18s. My plan is to take the chrome wheels that are now on the Cushman, put them on the 35s, and put them back on that limo there. When I had the 33s on there, it had a little bit more extra room, so I'm hoping they'll fit. I'm gonna be putting these new wheels, which is in this box here, on the Cushman, because I don't like how flashy it is on that cart. So yeah, that's the plan. Hoping it'll work. We're gonna see. We're gonna go here, drop these things right here off here in just a little bit, and well, got them mounted. 35, 9.5 R18s on the old MSA flashes. These are some big tires, so these are tires and wheels that I got for the Cushman. I think it's gonna look a lot better. Black, got the milled access. These are the MSA portals on 33s, same tires. So we know that they're gonna fit back on the Cushman, but we're not sure the 35s will fit on the limo just yet. So anyways, let's get them on. Got a new package. These should be my wheel adapters for the golf cart. Let's open them up and check them out. Just got the box opened. I hate these packing peanuts. It's an adapter there. It would suck if they only had 3 in that box. I like the fact that they did ship them with these like rubber covers that goes over the studs there. Helps it out, I believe. Check this out, Steps of Jesus. So this is a track, and I'm not gonna fault them for that, because every which way you can do this right here. Yeah, I agree with that. I think that's cool. You know, somebody's just trying to help somebody, lead them to Jesus. So I'm not hating on that. Got some lug nuts. Hoping these right here are probably going to be for this pattern here, which we have some new lug nuts for anyway. So just if anyone's curious, this came from Tire Shop Supplies. I ordered these off of eBay. These were not sponsored. Anything in this video isn't sponsored. I bought everything. So basically it goes from 4 by 101.6 to 4 by 156, which is the Polaris bolt pattern right there. One of the reasons I go with this bolt pattern here is if I ever upgrade any of my golf carts to a side-by-side, I'll automatically have some wheels. Like these are 18s. I've had these for a year, but the tires are 35s and I just got them. And these are 18s. I just bought the wheels, but the tires, I had them for a year. And on this cart, I believe it looks better than this cart here. It's more of like a flashier cart, so that's gonna get the chrome wheels. So the lug nuts here that came with the package of adapters, they fit the golf cart. They don't fit the lugs here, which is good because I got chrome lugs to go here on the outside of the wheels, and these right here are short enough to fit through this portion here and not stick out of the adapter. Here is my hub here. As you can see, that's a white LED wheel light that I made for this golf cart here, just to stand out at night. Fit just like that right there. All right, so in order to install the supplied lug nuts onto the wheel adapter here, it's gonna take a 19mm socket. And I went ahead and got a pneumatic gun out to put those on with. So now they're on. Moment of truth is, well, 18s and 35s fit this opening here on this cart, it's gonna be close. And I don't know if the jack is actually have it up enough off the ground in order to fit the tire on there. We're about to find out. So I had to get a piece of 2-inch box tubing. Hoping this will help us get the cart up high enough to fit the tires and wheels on it. And I just bent that plate there, which is fine. Need a new one anyway. Might have to call up the Mafia boys, see if they can help me out. I think I'm done there. Putting them on by hand so we don't cross thread the lugs. I'm just gonna hit them right here real quick with the electric. Go ahead and use the pneumatic on here. Didn't go much. Watch what this jack really isn't doing here. That's it. Just for a size comparison, these are 27-inch tall tires. These are 33-inch tall tires. These are Motoclaw ATV, UTV tires. These are actual regular truck BFG all-terrain 215, 75, 15, KO2 all-terrain BFGs. These used to be in this cart.
Easily my new favorite golf cart.
Easily.
Easily.
I'm gonna show you a tire size comparison there. So 27s, 33s. These are 35s, 18-inch wheels, 35-inch tall tires. So we have the 27s on top, 35s on the bottom. Big difference. Here's the difference between the 27s and the 35s. The 27s was on the limo cart after I took the 27s off the Cushman and put the 33s on the Cushman. So a little bit of a size comparison there. It's hot. God, it's hot. These are 23s. These are your standard 23 by 10, 14 tires on a golf cart. This is a regular 6-inch lifted golf cart. And those 27s in those previous clips, they look very small compared to those tires. Look how big they are to these tires. So a very noticeable difference. You got what? 4 inches of difference, 4 inches of height. So it goes into perspective of how big those other tires are on my other two carts. And if you're wondering what the limo now looks like, well, looks a lot better. We got almost 2 fingers here, about a finger. And I've already driven it. It only rubs when I'm on it and turning to the left. It does rub this outside layer right here. against this inside corner. The back don't rub at all. This rubbed on the 27s when we had just a regular 6-inch lift kit on it. So I think it looks a lot better, but I still think we're missing something. What do y'all think? We need to make maybe like a little windshield right here or something. It looks too skinny in the front, if you ask me, but that's that. If you're wondering, these spindles here, we cut the spindles. We added 6 inches to the spindle. I made a 6-inch block there. That's in order to give us a 12-inch lift kit in the front. I made the wheel lights. I have a wheel light video you can check out. I made them out of plastic the last time. I was going to do another video and show you how I made these right here. And I may do that video, and I may end up selling some of these brackets, and you can add your own LED lights to them. If that's something y'all might be interested in, just let me know. These tires are a little bit more narrow than the tires that he's sitting on there. So it feels a little bit more top heavy with the 35s on it instead of the 33s, but overall I think it looks pretty good. But all right guys, I appreciate y'all watching the video today. We were able to take the small little 27s and 15s off of this cart. We added the 35s to it, and we added the wheel adapters to it as well. I think this cart needs like a windshield right here, maybe like a little half windshield. I have something in mind, maybe out very soon, not sure yet. This cart needs to be cleaned. I need to replace the floor mats and the floor in it. I mean, this is just like one of my older carts that I add to every now and then, but with that being said, I do like it. I like that better now with the black MSA portals on it. It just looks mean. What do you think, Bryant?
I like the Cushman still more.
You still like the Cushman more?
Yes.
And we got some seats for it, but we're not going to tell them what kind of seats we got just yet.
No, not yet.
Okay, so we got some seats for it. Seats are going to look good, I think. We got to do a lot more work with this cart here. I have a lot more stuff that we need to install on that cart, so we're going to have more of those videos coming as well. We're going to be working back on the $100 project next week. We have some videos coming out on that as well. But until next time, guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see y'all later.